ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Donna Just Being Real. My channel is all about dating, love, relationships, and toxic relationship advice channel. Yes. And we're going to get back to this one. So I'm giving an update on Jonathan Majors. I told y'all I was going to follow this Jonathan Majors. All right, so I'm going to read an article, and I'm going to share my thoughts and opinions too. And what you do is you hit the like button and also share the video on your social media and, put some feedback in the comment section. Tell me what you think of the whole thing. And also, feel free to check out some of my past commentary, all right? And subscribe to the channel. All right, so this article that I have here is Jonathan Majors appear virtually in court as DA updates complaint. Let's get it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this article that I have here, and it's from The Hollywood Reporter. And this came out May 9, 2023, time at 9:09 a.m. Jonathan Majors appeared virtually in court as DA updates complaint. A New York judge says that Majors must continue to abide by the full stay-away order for protection, which includes no contact with the woman who accused him of harassment and assault. Jonathan Majors appeared virtually in New York criminal court on Tuesday for the status conference in connection with the assault and harassment charges as the DA introduced new details in the complaint, which the actor's attorney alleged was part of a witch hunt against Majors. The Marvel actor was arrested on March 25th in New York after the police responded to a 911 call in Chelsea. Police said that the 30-year-old woman alleged that she had been assaulted by the actor and had been sustained minor injuries to her head and neck. Jonathan Majors' lawyer, criminal defense lawyer, has denied any wrongdoing on the part of her client and says that he was one who called 911 because he was concerned about the woman's mental health. The actor who was released from the police custody later in the day on March 25th faces misdemeanor charges of assault and aggravated harassment. Since the alleged incident, the judge granted a full temporary order of protection for the woman involved in the case. The order was requested by the Manhattan District Attorney Office and granted with the consent of the defense counsel. So she got a full temporary order of protection. And don't you remember the text messages? She said that she was going to talk to the judge. Yeah. I'm telling you, I can't figure this case out. I really can't. But you tell me, you share your thoughts. What do you think? But let me resume reading. A Tuesday's hearing, Judge Rachel S. Posley informed Majors that he must continue to abide by the full stay-away order protection, which includes no contact with the individual. At the time of the original order of protection, Majors' lawyer said that the judge moved was standard in case such as this, and we consented because Mr. Majors wants nothing to do with the woman who assaulted him. Okay, so I guess basically his lawyer, said it was the best to do or whatever. Okay, gotta follow what your lawyer says. Alrighty, where am I at? I'll just read from here. At the time of the original order of protection, Major's lawyer said that the judge move, was for standard in a case such as this, and we consented because Mr. Majors want nothing to do with the woman who insulted him. So that means the relationship is over. All right, Majors appeared virtually Tuesday, shown on the television screen in court, wearing a beige dress shirt, pictured against a white background. He did not speak about... I'm sorry, excuse me, let me repeat that again. He did not speak other than responding affirmatively to the judge's prompts. The counts of charges have remained the same, but new complaint language from the district attorney indicates that the woman also allegedly experienced injuries to her right arm and was pushed into the car by Majors. In addition to the previous report lacerations to her right ear and finger, the complaint no longer includes reports of bruising and injuries to the neck. So basically, you remember they said that he strangled her? So that's out the window. They got rid of that one. Okay. That looks good, Major, because strangulation doesn't look good. Oh, this has to come out. We have to find out exactly what's happening. Who is lying? All right, resume reading. During the hearing, the defense team said that they needed to review additional material with Majors. In a statement sent after the hearing, Majors' lawyer said that the woman involved was lying about the alleged incident and that Majors' defense team had additional videos to back up the claim. Majors' lawyer and team had previously released videos and texts between the woman and Majors, which we did see the text message, and we saw some sort of still pictures. We didn't really see the videos yet. All right, because you remember they said there was videos that was proving that he basically, I believe the video was one of the videos was that was proving that he jumped out the car, that she attacked him. And that the driver was a witness and he was going to, testify about that. Then also, it's supposed to be a video with the officers. You remember we said about the officers? And the officer was coercing her to lie and say that he attacked her. And also, in the video, it's supposed to be allegedly a body cam. And the body cam will show, I believe too, that the cops was like, is this your place? How did you get this? Those kind of things. Yeah, Mr. Adams over there, Mayor Adams in New York. If this is true, this is something else. Your cops over here like that? All right, so let's find out. Let me resume reading. Majors' lawyer also claimed that the treatment of Majors by the police and the criminal justice is an example of racial bias. This is a witch hunt against Jonathan Majors driven by their baseless claims. Instead of dismissing the allegations in the face of the woman's clear lies, the DA has adjusted the charges to match the woman's new lies. To be clear, there are no new charges against Mr. Majors. That's good. Okay. Majors' lawyer said. In April, Major was dropped by his management company, Entertainment 360, and public relation team, the Leedy, I think it's Leedy Company, I could be wrong, whatever, but he was dropped from public relations. A day after his arrest, a representative of Army Enterprise Marketing Office said that the United States ad campaign featuring Majors has been paused. Majors is currently scheduled to appear in court in person on June 13th. So he has to go back to court on June 13th. This is something else. Because I thought this was all going to be dropped and be done with. I mean, if there's these videos. But then again, like his lawyer said, this is regular protocol or whatever, and they're just going to keep coming back to court. I don't know. But she said that she was going to tell the judge, right? Didn't say that she was going to tell the judge that he didn't do anything wrong. So why is she getting order protection? Or then again, maybe he was okay with order protection because he's just so done with her. He don't want to see her. He don't want to be with her no more. I don't know. So we don't really know who is lying and who is telling the truth. But I know one thing. Everybody's just dropping Majors. The Met Gala we just had recently, he wasn't there. I believe, allegedly, I think that he was, invited to go. But after this situation, they was like, no, that's okay, Majors, we don't want you here. I think. So we have to find out. And like I said, if Majors is out here putting his hands on women, he needs to pay for it. Now, if this woman's over here lying and she's putting her hands on him, she needs to pay for it. But I guess all is happening. Time will tell who is lying, what is happening. I don't know. But if they have videotapes that's proving that, that the cops made her lie, coerced her to lie, that's a whole nother story. But let's go back. What happened to the other women? Didn't they say there was some other women that was working with the district attorney, stating that they was insulted by allegedly by Majors? So what's with that? I thought that was going to come up today. So I didn't hear anything else about that one. So we don't really know what is the deal on that one. What happened to these other victims that said, because that's very powerful. That Are they retracting what they saying? Are they still working with the district attorney? They just haven't said anything. I don't know. It's just all over the place. But what you do is you share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section and tell me, do you think Majors, assaulted this woman and attacked this woman? Or do you think that she was the one? Don't know. So is Major a victim of domestic violence? Or is she a victim of domestic violence? But what you do is you share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Make sure you hit the like button and feel free to check out some of my past commentary. And if you need to reach out to me, you can find my email in the description. And you can email me if you need coaching and dating, love, relationship, or you need a viewer's request, or you just need to reach out to me. Feel free. Contact me. Email address is there, and check out the past commentary. And remember, date smart, not thirsty. Okay? I will keep you more updated, see what next comes out, and I will let you know. Bye.